If your C drive just turned red, do not start deleting random files. Panic deleting system files will just break Windows, and you are probably ignoring the real culprit anyway. First, check your Downloads folder. It is a massive graveyard of heavy installers and forgotten zip files. But the biggest space hog is actually Windows itself. It secretly hoards massive update files, just in case you want to roll back. Search for Disk Cleanup and click the Administrator button that says Clean Up System Files. Check Windows Update Cleanup and nuke it. If your drive is still full, stop guessing. Windows File Explorer is terrible at showing you what is actually taking up space. Run a free visualizer like WizTree. It builds a colorful map of your drive and instantly exposes the massive game or video cache you forgot about. To stop this from ever happening again, search for Storage Sense in your settings and toggle it on. It acts as a silent janitor, automatically wiping temporary junk the second your disk gets low, so you never see that red bar again. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. Visit us at gwizit.com for more.